Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Delhi braces for the strong winds and chilly weather as snowfall in the mountains affects temperatures. Delhi woke up to a strong winds on Wednesday morning with the surface winds blowing at the speed of 20 to 30 kilometers per hour, causing a noticeable dip in the temperature across the city and surrounding areas like Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon and Faridabad. The maximum temperature in Delhi is expected to reach 26 degrees Celsius, while the minimum is expected to dip to 13 degrees Celsius. The India Meteorological Department has reported that the mist and light fog covered Delhi in the morning, with the surface winds from the northwest blowing at the speeds of 12 to 14 kilometers per hour. And these winds are expected to pick up pace, reaching 22 to 24 kilometers per hour by afternoon. Recent snowfall in the mountains of the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand is affecting the plains, including Delhi, bringing chilly winds and occasional light drizzle. And this is making the temperatures dip slightly across the capital. The weather in Delhi and all northern states is expected to change further on March 6th with the further drop in temperature and stronger winds. The sudden shift in the weather is being attributed to the Delhi's proximity to the areas experiencing snowfall and rain in the mountains. Meanwhile, the IMD has issued an orange alert for the heavy rain, snowfall and thunderstorms in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir. And these areas are bracing for more intense weather in the coming days. Humidity in the region is expected to be around 60%, so residents should prepare for cold conditions by wearing warm clothing and staying indoors when necessary. Snowfall is ongoing in the higher regions of the Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Kashmir, causing temperatures to continue dropping. And as a result, these areas are facing colder conditions and residents are advised to take precautions. IMD's forecast for the coming days predict more snow in the Himalayan region, which will likely bring further drops in the temperature and intensify the chill. Keep an eye on the updates from the IMD for changes in the weather pattern. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.